In this video, I'll show you how to get started with GTA Roleplay and what you'll need before joining your first server. The first thing you need to know is that you'll need GTA 5 for PC. As most roleplay servers run on the PC version of the game, you'll also need to install a client such as FiveM, which is the most popular platform for accessing roleplay servers. Once everything is installed, open FiveM and use the server browser to find a server that matches your preferences. Some servers let you join immediately, while others require you to register or complete a short application process before you can play. When you join for the first time, you'll usually need to create your character, customize their appearance, and complete some basic information. After that, you'll begin your journey by role-playing as that character within the server. It's important to remember that roleplay is all about staying in character and following the server's rules. Every community has its own guidelines, so it's a good idea to read them before you start playing to avoid warnings or bans. It's also highly recommended to use a microphone, since most interactions with other players take place through voice chat, making the experience much more immersive and realistic. And that's it. As you can see, getting started with GTA Roleplay is easy once you have everything set up and choose a server that fits your playstyle. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.